Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this question, we are doing this warm-up question that is simple array sum in algorithm series. So in here we have this array of size 3, and what we need to do, we need to print the sum of this array. So it's the simplest thing that, so just get back to the code. I don't think I have anything to explain here. So I'm using this result okay, result variable to hold my result, the output of the code. So for adding the array, I'm using this for loop and using this len function, which will give me the size of this array. And what I need to do now, I just need to add these array values to this result to get the whole sum for this array, and then I'm just returning the result. Okay, I think this is enough. Let's just run the code and check. So yeah, it's doing its job. Let's just submit it. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Bye bye, take care.